Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at energy fuels. An update is overdue since in the last video when we covered this stock we were somewhere around this red resistance area, and since then we actually broke it and even completely invalidated the red scenario, so I'm going to remove that from the chart completely. Now we are still tracking this 1-2 setup, and while tracking this, I did provide you the white scenario in which we go directly higher, but even now there is still risk that we break lower, and for that I want to introduce the yellow scenario onto the chart, and this is more entertaining the idea that we may go directly lower after we complete an ABC here in this wave B. But I find it quite likely, especially with the power and the sentiment that I see in the market for this stock, that we may actually complete the white scenario in 5 waves. Anyway, we are still within the 3 waves that even a B wave would have. So at the moment, I do find it decently likely that we should still look for higher. I will provide you on the chart a resistance area for an overshooting B wave, and I will remove the levels that we did break very easily, like no sweat at all. We just pushed right through them like a hot knife through butter. But yeah, we haven't even broken above the wave 1 high actually at the 100% extension, so we still need to be cautious and careful. With that said, we have been tracking the white scenario here, in which we had a 1-2-1-2 setup, and I did adjust this wave 1 to have completed here and have maybe this wave 2 here, since we haven't actually even gotten close, or not really close, to the support zone in all of these corrections afterwards. I'm thinking maybe we had some sort of a different structure going on, and maybe we had a 1-2 and then a series of 1-2 in these very choppy structures. But yeah, that's still a possibility when you complete a series of higher highs and higher lows like this. It is a possibility that it has been a series of 1-2 setups, which also suggests that we may now be looking for a series of 4-5 patterns to actually complete this third wave. And yeah, while that is the case, that is something that we can expect. It is, however, very difficult, at least at the moment, to track and differentiate the structures within this third wave. If I actually go on the hourly, I barely see any structure. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, there's none. It's just a straight line up, right? So I cannot give you much of a resistance of a support zone for the small setups that may occur in this area. I did draw a small support zone here, but that's just me experimenting with ideas that of where we may be in this area on this chart. But overall, for me, I am looking for the larger support zone here, and I will set that in white for a wave 4. Overall, I don't even think, I actually don't know if we completed this third wave, this move to the upside, but that is what I am mainly tracking at the moment, at least until I see some more structure in this area. After that, I may be able to provide a more accurate presentation of a count of what we may be tracking or what we could track. So yeah, for now, the first level I can give you is for this move up. It's actually becoming even more aggressive. This move to the upside, it's become more aggressive if we look at the 30-minute chart from this area, maybe here 1-2 1-2 1-2, third, fourth, fifth. So we may have a support, we may need to draw a support zone for this area for a 5-wave move here. That would be a larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 but still this is on the very short time frame. It's very unreliable. One thing I would like to mention before I close it up, it is nothing to worry about. I would like some more structure. It would help us track this uptrend more easily, but this is actually very typical for a third wave. It's just rather confirmation that we are in a third wave to the upside within this structure somewhere. But yeah, overall, the main support zone I am tracking is still here between $8.7 down to around $7.8. So if you want, you can maybe enter for a trade in this area, but this is the main area that I am tracking. Okay, so these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.